If you have any problem with the video call sound problem, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. So first thing you wanna do is go to the settings and then go to the apps manager like this. Search for Messenger between all the apps that you have on your phone right here. Click on Messenger like this and then click on Force Stop, and now click on Storage, click on Clear Data and click on Delete. When you click on Delete, all the data, as you can see, is gonna be 0 like this. Now go back, click on Force Stop and then click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the call permission or the phone permission, and then click on data usage. Make sure to enable all the network access and then restart your phone or turn it off and on back again. Don't forget to like,